How to create a Steam account on PC or laptop. Alright, so now that is something that we are going to deal with today. We are going to create our own free account here. I've opened the Steam app here and we are going to go ahead and click this one here, create a free account, and then this thing should pop up. So I want you to go ahead and try to write here your email. So this is going to be mine. Alright, so I've already inputted here my email and confirmed it, my country of residence, as well as did the key reCAPTCHA. I've also confirmed this one right here, and then all that's left is just tap the continue button. Now this time you are going to go ahead and confirm this one with your Gmail, so go ahead and check that one. So in my case, I'm going to check it and I'm going to go ahead and verify it right now. Now after verifying, it is going to automatically close just like so, and then you can go ahead and write here your own Steam account. So I'm just going to go ahead and type here Scotsman, and the password, oops, seems like not available, so we're going to try to put some numbers here. Alright, there you go. Now go ahead and write your password here. Alright, there you go. So now it matched. Now go ahead and click done. Alright, new account created successfully. Hit continue. And then go ahead and log in here with your account. And there you go, we are now logged in. So as you can see, we have successfully created our own Steam account. So yeah, that is how you are going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.